Alright, this is Chronicle 3. Well, Philip Miles 3, as I previously stated I would call him, but I just can't seem to get the damn name right on that first intro. I don't like making another one. Why not go with the first time? But yes, I am driving. That's why I'm not looking in the mood. I just made number 2 about 20 minutes ago, and then down this road. Traffic's awesome on it. It's not too busy, not too slow. You know, you got enough cars to keep you awake. It's not that bad, but the thing about this road is, as soon as I got on it, the damn GPS goes, stay on this road for 1,090 fucking miles. So basically, I am driving straight right now. I think by the time I get to the end of it, I will be all the way through Mississippi, which is really cool. I mean, but oh my god, if you ever get the chance to do this, I recommend it, because you will see some shit that, especially if you're just a little fucking small town dude like me, like fucking Bluffton. I thought Bluffton and Beaufort were kind of big. I was wrong. Oh my god, I was wrong, because that shit, some of these fucking towns, like I just got out of Birmingham, Alabama, and that shit was what I went through was huge, and I think it's like a 40 miles on the interstate just to get through that. And the town alone is humongous. And then not too far before that, it's like another big ass town. Big ass town. I don't know. It's crazy. But I just wanted to log that 1,090 fucking miles on the same ass road. This trip is crazy, man. Because I think it's as soon as I get off this one, I get on another one for 900 miles. And that would be basically the end of my trip. So, after seeing 1,000 miles, I'll drive it today. I'm going to knock this whole road out today. And from there, I'll go on. So, peace. I'll talk to you guys in the next 12 hours.